Hi lovies, it's me Eli.
Do you already own the Little Bibble Clit Sucker or are you considering buying it?
Here's a quick guide to help you learn more about this adorable toy. And for those who are new to Clit Suckers, you can also check our comprehensive guide. The link is at the upper right of the screen and in the description box below. So let's get started. True to its name, the Little Bibble comes with a compact body. It measures 4.5 inches in length and 1.5 inches in width. Due to its compact size, it can be easily stored in your bedside drawer or closet. And if you're heading out on a trip, it fits perfectly in your carry-on. When it comes to power, we can assure you that this suction toy can deliver. It may be small, but it's powerful enough to give you those pleasurable sensations. It has 7 suction modes that are controlled with this button right here. It's also rechargeable, so no need to search for batteries when it runs low. Plug it in using the included cable and wait for charging time to complete the charge. You can also play this in the shower and it's easy to clean since this toy is IPX7 waterproof. Now, before I show you how to use this toy, if you're in the Philippines and interested in love toys like the Little Bibble, make sure to check our store, Lauvette. We offer same-day delivery within Metro Manila, and you can also find our toys on e-commerce sites like Shopee and Lazada. The links are in the description box below. And now, let's get back to the video. So, how do you use the Little Bibble Clit Sucker? Let me show you. Start by applying a water-based lubricant either around the rims of the toy's opening or directly onto your clitoris. Place the toy's opening right on the top of your clitoral hood. Press it just enough to create a seal. After that, press and hold the power button for a few seconds to turn it on. It should start on the lowest suction setting. Press the same button again to cycle through the 7 modes and find the one that feels best for you. You can keep the toy steady or try moving it up and down, side to side, or in the little circles. Just make sure the opening stays in contact with your vulva so you can fully enjoy the suction. When you're done, press and hold the power button again to turn it off. To clean this toy, use a sex toy cleaner or a gentle soap with water. Wipe it with a dry towel, let it air dry, and then store it in a pouch to keep it safe. It's especially perfect for people who are first-time users of suction toys, travelers who want to bring their love toys on their trips, or those looking for budget-friendly suction toys. You can also give this toy as a gift. If you have a friend who is a bride-to-be and you're planning to give them something naughty during their bridal shower, this is a good option. It's cute and not as explicit as other toys like dildos and butt plugs. So that wraps up our guide. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on our social media platforms. All the links are in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe for more sex toy guides and sexual wellness videos. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!